Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mansha, and today I am going to deliver a speech on the beauty of imperfection. Today, I want to talk to you about something that we often shy away from, something that society taught us to hide or even feel ashamed of. Imperfection. But what if I told you that imperfection is not something to be feared, but something to be celebrated? What if I told you that within our flaws lies an undeniable beauty that makes each and every one of us unique and special? Think about it for a moment. What makes a painting truly captivating? Its brushstrokes that aren't even perfectly straight, or the colors that blend in unexpected ways. It's this imperfection that gives it character and depth. The same can be said about us. It's our imperfection that makes us human and makes us interesting. We live in a world that often celebrates perfection. Flawless faces, impeccable resume, picture-perfect lives plastered all over social media. But let me ask you this. Where is humanity in perfection? Where is the soul? Imagine a world's renowned artist standing in front of a blank canvas, their brush poised and their mind buzzing with creative possibilities. They dip their brush into the vibrant paint and start to sweep across the canvas. Each stroke imbued with intention and passion. But as they step back to admire their work, they notice something unexpected. A drip there, a sweep here, imperfection scattered throughout their masterpiece. Now you might expect the artist to recoil in horror and to frantically erase all the imperfection and make the image perfect. But instead they smile. They embrace those imperfections as an integral part of their creativity, knowing that it's those imperfections that gives the painting its character, its depth and its soul. The artist is none other than Vincent van Gogh, whose iconic paintings are celebrated around the world today. Despite facing numerous rejection and struggles throughout his life, Vincent van Gogh never wavered in his commitment to his art. One of his famous artwork is Starry Night, is a testament to the beauty of imperfection. You might notice that it has so many imperfections, smudges, drifts, uneven lines, but it's precisely those imperfections that make Starry Nights so captivating. They remind us that perfection is not necessary to create something truly extraordinary. In fact, it's our imperfection that makes us human and sets us apart from the rest and makes us unique. In the end, I just want to say, the next time you find yourself striving for perfection, just remember the story of Vincent van Gogh and his Starry Night. Embrace those imperfections that makes you who you are, wonderfully, beautifully, imperfectly you. Thank you.